kinks? It is NappyFu, all up on your screen, coming at y'all with a That Nap Life video. Lately, I've been having the strangest feeling that something's going on with my kinks. Contour has not been feeling right. One thing that you will find in natural hair world is that there's always things to learn. There are always people who feel very strongly about a technique and feel very strongly against another technique. Have you ever heard that low porosity hair doesn't really need protein treatment? That's a lie. This low porosity natural has been sleeping on protein treatments, and my hair has been suffering for it. Oh, my sister, my brother. I beg, let's not waste time. Let's talk. Today, I'm going to show you a simple protein treatment you can do and talk about why you should not be sleeping on protein treatments, even if you are low porosity. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go.
This week, I was inspired by the book of Romans, chapter 15, verse 13. Now may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace in believing, so that you will abound in hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Lately, I have been experiencing a lack of moisture retention, okay? My hair has been feeling brittle even after a wash day. Like, wash day on Saturday, Sunday is dry. It feels like I did not wash my hair. It feels like I did not do a deep conditioner. It was just not feeling like the way contour normally feels. I made the mistake of thinking, okay, maybe my ends are really withered, so I trim, right? I'm still feeling it like it. I'm like, dang, well, hold on now. I can't keep trimming this dang hair now. What's going on? I'm feeling like, okay, I moisturize with a good quality moisturizer, and I'm like, yes, my hair normally loves this. Why didn't it retain? Why is my hair feeling dry again, quicker than the norm? And it never hit me. I haven't been doing a protein treatment. Somehow, some way, I have been sleeping on the protein treatment of life.
The protein treatment of life. Yes, so I'm awake. Okay. All right. Why use protein treatment? Everybody should do a protein treatment, y'all. It helps to strengthen our hair, add shine, hydration, reduces breakage. Okay. What it does, the right kind of protein treatment will go into your hair and fill in the gappy areas. It will help to slow down hydration, basically slow down the loss of water. Okay. Who can benefit from it? People that color their hair. Do you like being a blonde? You can use a protein treatment, okay? High porosity can. Those who use heat can. Those who are experiencing drier hair than norm, okay? Like your stuff is just drying out quicker than you usually than it usually does. Fine and medium hair can benefit from protein treatments. If you are experiencing high amounts of breakage, like crazy amount, protein treatment could be the win for you, okay? If you are going to color your hair, do a protein treatment first. If you are going to use heat, do a protein treatment first. It can definitely benefit. Now, what kind of protein treatment should you use? For those who are not into the DIY life, go to the store and buy one, okay? It's usually labeled as reconstructive or strengthening. Just pick one up. Another point is that some of our styling products has protein in it, so you can pick that up as well. And when it's protein derived, it's basically hydrolyzed. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't I mention henna? Well,
I can't speak for all naturals, but for this natural, I was mixing my Ayurvedic methods, which is hair strengthening. Okay, it strengthens your hair. However, henna, amla, brahmi, and so on does not go into the cortex of your hair to fill in the gappy areas. So I'm doing these strengthening treatments, but it's strengthening my outside. But what about that inside? What about that inside of your cuticle? What about the inside of your... I don't know why I'm like this. What about the inside of your hair? What's going to get that stronger? Hydrolyzed protein.
You can't find it in Greek yogurt. Nope, hydrolyzed protein is not in our beloved Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt does have protein, and this protein is of most benefit when we eat it. Okay, doesn't mean you can't use it on the outside. I do sometimes still, because it makes my hair feel really moisturized, which makes sense because Greek yogurt works on the outside of our hair. Guess what else works on the outside of our hair? Eggs. Yes, eggs works the outside of our hair. Neither one of these protein, quote unquote, treatments is penetrating into our hair and filling in the gaps. It's not doing that, but it's definitely working that outside, which is what we tend to love. But if you want to get to the core of it all, it has to be hydrolyzed, okay? Hey, Greek. Hey, eggs. How you doing? I want to make an omelet. Anywho, we are going to use the Green Beauty Hydrolyzed Wheat Protein. Hydrolyzed protein can come in many different forms. It can come as wheat, silk, oat, in so many different ways. As long as it has hydrolyzed in front of it, it lets you know it will get to the gaps. Okay. My mix is normally very, very simple, or nowadays I say it's very simple. I use the hydrolyzed protein. I use a moisturizing oil mix, and I use aloe vera gel, and then I use a already made moisturizing deep conditioner. And that's it. Mix it all together, and what do you get? A protein treatment you made at home. Okay. Sometimes I might use an avocado in the mix, but most of the times the only stuff I'm going to add into this bowl will be the oil and the hydrolyzed protein and gel. Simple, and it gets the job done. Look how creamy and nice that looks. Ready! I like to start off on freshly cleansed hair whenever I am applying a treatment, whether it's protein treatment or deep conditioner. Freshly cleansed hair, I start from the end and I work my way up. You have to start from the ends, y'all. Now, you don't have to. I'm not telling you what to do. But think about it from this point. The ends are the elders, the oldest part of your hair. Will you walk into your room and say hello to your baby sister first? No, you will say hello to your mommy and daddy. It got so much. Okay? So start with the elders, start with your ends, and work your way up. Okay? I also like to detangle while I'm doing this step. If you have a hard time detangling at this step, you might want to reevaluate how you shampoo your hair. The way I shampoo my hair, I have a lot less tangles when it gets to this step. I have a video that I'm going to be doing that shows the new way I like to shampoo my hair that literally leaves me tangle free at this step. So with that being said, are you subscribed? Make sure you hit the subscription button and the bell right next to it so you are notified when that video is all up on your screen. Okay? I have other protein videos on my channel as well that goes into a lot more detail about protein itself. So I definitely encourage you to click the I in the top right hand corner or go to my description box for different links to videos that I've done and also from other YouTubers who I feel give really good and accurate information about the importance of using protein on our hair. Whether you low porosity, high porosity, medium porosity, protein treatment is something you can definitely benefit from.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to.
All right, my treatment is on. I usually put a plastic bag or conditioning cap on my therma cap, okay? And I let it sit anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Now, you don't have to let it be an hour, but you know how we do. We get to doing stuff around the house, okay? So normally within 30 minutes to an hour, I'm rinsing it out. Boom, like that. Look at contour, girl. Like, hi, welcome back, okay? She is feeling amazing. She is looking amazing. She is restored, okay? I ended up doing a flat twist out, so this is how my hair looked the very next day. I took one section down and I had to stop because I was like, I'm already noticing the difference. There's shine. There is softness. Yes, contour is back. Okay. She has her life back, the bounce back, the softness back. And I'm very, very, very happy. Or she's very, very happy. Oh,
I can't tell you what to do, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring back the protein treatments, hydrolyzed protein treatments, of course, more often. I might not have to do a protein treatment as often as a high porosity natural. However, I do need to do a protein treatment. So if you have had the same symptoms, you've been experiencing some of the same thing, and you are noticing or realizing right now, you have not done a hydrolyzed protein treatment in hedges. Brother, sister, meal. You better go and grab one and bless your kinks. Okay. And now we have come to today's Nap Chat question. Let's talk about natural hair myths. What are some natural hair myths you've heard that you've discovered is absolute lies? I tell you, lies. Let me know in the comment box below. I will go first. One of the myths that I've heard is that using water only can wash your hair. Lies. I'm sorry. Water, honey, H2O can wash my kinks. Only liquids. Oh, my friend, let me know yours in the comment box below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. I am actually recording this the morning of work day, okay? So I'm about to go to work, and I have my hair out for this video, but I'm about to actually put it up. Yeah, I normally don't like to wear my hair out and about. Probably put it like, ooh. I'm sorry. No. Talk to my publicist. You can't just come talk to me directly. Anyway, remember, my sister, my brother, my friends, Team Kinks. I said Team Kinks. In order to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. Okay? NappyFu checking out. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. Ooh, contour. Don't give it to him too much now. Don't give it to him too much. Hey, don't give it to him too much. Hey, don't give it to him too much. Yeah.
If I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were beautiful, if I told you you were beautiful,